Hello students, welcome again to the world of accountancy. This is Amit sir. Now, through this video, I'll tell you the types of users of accounting information with the help of some slides. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start.
We will discuss types of users of financial accounting. They can be categorized in two categories. First, internal user. Second, external user. Here, internal user means the people who are directly involved in managing and operating the business enterprise, whereas external users are not directly involved in managing or operating of the business. It means internal user has greater amount of control over preparation of financial statement, whereas no such control lies with external users. Now, types of internal user. First user is owner. Since owner invest huge money in the business, with that they are also exposed to maximum amount of risk. So for covering that risk, they need profit, and that's why they are interested in knowing profit, and that profit is available to them through financial statements. Now they're also interested in knowing soundness of the business enterprise. Next internal user of financial statement is management. As you know, management wants to know the selling price, and determination of that selling price can be done with the help of financial statements. And second, they also wants to control the cost. So for effective cost controlling, they need correct financial statements. And lastly, investment in new projects. Decision like investment, absorption, or acquisition, they need the guidance which is provided to them through financial statements. Now, after knowing internal user, there are some external user also. Those are using that financial information. They depends on the published source of account like profit and loss account and balance sheet. It means they are not capable of changing their financial statements, but they are dependent on the information which is provided by internal source only. Now, first external user of financial information is lender, the person who gives money to the organization, business organization, and they want to know the security of their loan. So for judging security of their loan, they need financial statements. If organizations are making profit, it means their loan is secure. But if organization is not doing good, their loan may be at risk. Now, to judge repaying capacity of the business, before granting loan to anyone, lender wants to know whether that person is capable of giving that much loan or not. So for judging that capacity, they need financial information. Now, second external user is investors. They wants to know the earning capacity of the business, since they are giving money to the businessman and they think that that business will grow their money. Therefore, more the business grow, more will be their earning. But how they can know whether business is growing or not? They can know that thing only through statement of profit and loss or financial statements. Next external user is government. One more and one of the most important user of financial information is government. Government needs that information to compute exact tax liability of a business enterprise. Third, researcher. Researcher also needs your financial information to complete their research. They also need some type of data for completing their research. Since we know for completing research, researcher also needs some type of information, and that information is available to them in form of accounting or accounts. Now, next user for accounting information is employee. They also need information from financial statements to know the security of their job and salary. As we know, if business is doing good, then employees will get their salary on time and their job will be secure. So for security and safety purpose, they need accounting information. Finally, goodbye, and in next class we will learn qualitative characteristics of accounting. If you does not want to miss any of my video, please again don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.